You've been posting for months, maybe longer. You put in the work and efforts. You watched the tutorials. You spent time researching it. But your videos are still stuck at 200 views, 400 views, maybe 800 if you got lucky once. And the most frustrating part? You see other channels that started around the same time as yours, hitting 10,000, 50,000, 100,000 subscribers, and you honestly cannot understand what they're doing differently. I'm going to explain you exactly what it is, and I promise you, it's not what you think. Here's what most small creators are doing. They're concentrating on production, better camera, better editing, better mic, spending hours trying to make the video look professional and clean. They study thumbnails, writing long descriptions with SEO keywords. And none of it is wrong. That stuff matters eventually, but it's not the reason they're stuck. The real reason small creators stay under 1,000 views is one layer deeper. It's about how the YouTube algorithm actually decides to show your video to anyone. And almost nobody talks about this honestly because it's uncomfortable to hear. Here are the 3 key mistakes most creators make. Real mistakes with real examples. And then I'm going to give you a practical fix you can apply to your next video before you even press record. Real quick, if you're a creator trying to actually grow, subscribe right now. I break down what's actually working on YouTube without the unnecessary talk or repeated advice. New video every week. Now let's get into it. Mistake number 1. You're optimizing for views. But YouTube's algorithm starts with clicks. Here's how YouTube actually works. When you upload a video, YouTube doesn't show it to everyone. It tests it. It picks a small sample of people, maybe 200 to 500, and it shows them your thumbnail and title in their feed. That's it. Your entire future on that video comes down to, do those people click? That percentage, eat your click-through rate, your CTR, is the gatekeeper. Industry average is around 4 to 5%. If yours is above 6 to 7%, YouTube pushes the video harder. If it's below 3%, the video dies in testing no matter how good the content is. The fix: before you script a single word, write 10 different titles and 3 different thumbnail concepts. Test them against this question: would I stop scrolling for this? If the honest answer is no, rewrite it. Title: does it create curiosity or promise a specific outcome? Thumbnail: does it communicate the emotion of the video in under 2 seconds? If both answers aren't yes, the video isn't ready to film yet. Mistake number 2. Your first 30 seconds are pushing your viewers away. Go open and check your YouTube analytics right now. Look at the audience retention graph. Most small creators experiences a big drop in the first 30 seconds. Sometimes 30 to 40% of viewers are gone before the video has even started. And here's why: the opening is too slow. You're doing an intro like, "Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about..." Gone. You're explaining what the video will cover before giving them a reason to care. Gone. Slow story setup. Gone. The fix: use the hook-proof preview structure in every opening. Hook: state the most interesting, painful, or surprising thing in the video. Don't save it. Lead with it. Proof: establish why they should trust you on this. One sentence. Specific, not vague. Preview: tell them exactly what they'll walk away with. Make it feel like a transaction. Watch this, get that. That structure keeps people watching past 30 seconds. And when your retention goes up, YouTube's algorithm pushes the video harder. These 2 things are directly connected. Mistake number 3. You're making videos for everyone, and the algorithm rewards specificity. Here's something that sounds backwards until you understand how YouTube works. A smaller, more defined audience is actually better for growth than a bigger one. Why? Because YouTube groups viewers into clusters. When your video gets clicked on and watched by a specific type of person, say beginner photographers between 20 and 35, YouTube learns to show it to more people like that. The more consistent the viewer profile, the more confidently the algorithm recommends your video. When you make a video for everyone who likes photography, YouTube doesn't know who to show it to. When you make it for beginner photographers frustrated by blurry low-light shots, YouTube knows exactly who to test it on. The fix: for your next 5 videos, write the name of one specific person at the top of your script. Give them a name, an age, and a specific problem. Write the entire video to that person. So let's put this all together, because these 3 mistakes are connected. They form a chain. Fix the chain, and the growth follows. The growth chain: you choose a very specific topic for one particular person. You design a title and thumbnail that forces a click. Your first 45 seconds use the hook-proof preview structure to grab attention. Your retention climbs above 40%. YouTube sees the signal, tests the video on more people. CTR holds. The algorithm pushes it. This is not just a theory, that's the mechanical reality of how the platform pushes content. Here's the quick checklist to follow before every upload. Did I write 10 titles and pick the best one? Is my thumbnail readable at 120 pixels wide? Does my video open with the hook in the first 15 seconds? Have I named exactly one particular viewer this is for? Is my video concise, or is it longer than it needs to be? Did I check my CTR and retention on my last 3 videos? If you're missing any of these 6 things, the video isn't ready yet. Reaching 1K isn't about talent, it's about having the right system. Creators who break through it aren't more creative than you, they're more systematic than you. They make the first 30 seconds as the most important part of video. They make the thumbnail like a billboard, not an afterthought. You can start building these systems with the next video you upload. Here is your homework. 3 things. Do them this week. 1. Go to YouTube Studio, open your last 5 videos, and write down the CTR and average view duration for each one. You'll immediately see the pattern. You'll know which mistake is hitting you hardest. 2. Rewrite the title and thumbnail concept for a video you already have that's underperforming. Don't reshoot. Just change the packaging. Update the metadata. Watch what happens to CTR in the next 7 days. 3. For your next new video, write the name of one specific person at the top of your script. Everything you write is for them. Every line, every example, every call to action. That's it. 3 things, not 30, just 3. Do them before your next video goes live. If this video changed your approach to growing your channel, drop a comment with your biggest takeaway. I read every single one and I reply. And if you want to learn more about any of this, thumbnail strategy, hook writing, retention optimization, I've got dedicated videos on all of it. And before you go, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I will see you in the next video.